What's good, YouTube? So today I'll be doing some TLC on the e30. It's been a minute, I've been slacking, but I finally got my parts from FCP Euro, and I'm gonna be going to Powerhouse for them to check on the car and hook me up. So right here we got all the goodies. Alright, so we're gonna start with the head gasket, then a fresh oil change. Brake fluid, need brakes badly. Got a new fuel filter. Got a new Weebo. Not sure if this is the correct size. Oh, we'll see. Good crankshaft position sensor. Let it go. Oil filter. Front and rear brake pads. Spark plug seal. Stainless steel brake hoses. That's all for this box. The next box got in the car, but this shit heavy as fuck, you know? Brake hose. Like this. And then I think these are drilled. Stay tuned. Alright, we now in the e30. We'll grab some gas. Birds got no sympathy out here. Let's get that regular. So my baby ain't fast. Need a little shots. That's how we're looking. Put y'all on. I'm gonna put an app right here. You could take pictures of the receipt at certain gas stations and you get cash back. I got almost 100. I'm gonna put y'all on. Just make sure you got your receipt. Some gas stations got a digital receipt. You could just upload or take a picture of this one to the app and then you get cash back. TLC, about time. On my way to Powerhouse. He said it's valid, I could come through, so I'm about to grab something to eat, get myself some coffee. Got my breakfast ready. Got the coffee. Can't get any better than this. Like I said, I'm on my way to Powerhouse. Shout out my boy Kadeem to letting me know to hit them up, send all my parts. The owner, I think his name is Eric. He used to work on e30s a lot, so he should know the ins and outs of this car. And hopefully this crankshaft position sensor that I got fixes that issue, because I looked it up on Beamer forums and a lot of people had that similar problem and they bought that sensor and it was fixed. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put y'all on egg and cheese on an everything bagel with mayonnaise, lettuce, but they OD'd on the lettuce. God damn. Alright, we're here, day 2. It's Friday, came to pick up my e30. It's an e30 wagon over there. That's fire. But we here, man. New brakes on, Weebo, new oil change. Yeah, man. Let's fix this rubbing issue on my new pads. Let's take a look at the spacer though. You can see where the brake pad was rubbing on the spacer right there. No bueno. So I'm gonna see if I clear the strut tower without the spacer. Hopefully the wheel clears it. Back on, no spacer. Let's see. Alright, so it looks like I'm still rubbing something. Digging is the back plate. Alright, so I flexed the back plate a little bit. And we're good. What you hear is the tire rubbing on the coil cover. It's not rubbing that much. Let's make sure the wheel's good. No play. Alright, so now we all set with the rubbing issue. We're all good. I gotta return this crankshaft position sensor because FCP Euro told me this fits M42s, but it does not fit M42s. So I'm gonna be returning that back today. So yeah, I hope you guys like the content, short, simple videos. I got another one coming next. I got a new shift knob coming in, new shift to boot. I got a new handbrake cover because this one's trash. Got a handbrake sleeve as well, and a couple more goodies. So I'll see y'all in the next video.